in the administration. We assume he won't be. You know, this.
Sorry. Sorry.
This is what happens as you get the.
Yes.
Well, you know what? I won't hold you on here any longer because you probably could use some water there. Hillary Clinton live from New York.
I've talked way too much.
Go back to, you know, it was secretary was. You want us to hold up, Madam?